So this is my first PR from a brand called Face Junkie. They are a UK based brand and they have all vegan, all natural, earth friendly collection. From their packaging to the ingredients, everything is safe for the earth, and that's the kind of product and brand that I genuinely use. And to get a PR from them to try out is just amazing. This is their hero collection and it has day to night products, so 3 products for the day, 3 products for the night, and I'm so excited to use these. Right, so I was just heading out, but I want to quickly show you. I curated a small package of donations. It's just things that I don't use anymore. There's a bunch of things, like I have a pair of boots, and a bag, some sweaters, some storage baskets. Like, it's a very nice jumper, but it's just too oversized, even for me, so donating that. These were at a time one of my favorite boots, but they have worn out on the sides and I feel like somebody can put in a little more money and get them repaired. I have one too many boots, so I don't want to be selfish, and I've worn them enough. And it's like a kid's sweater, so obviously I've grown out of it, so I'm gonna donate that. And yeah, then I just have a few other things buried inside here, like there's a black dress, there's a coat, a blue colored coat. A lot of these things are also stuff that I bought from Sarojini. It's like a thrifting market in Delhi, so I don't feel like I need to hold on to these things because they're second hand, and if they can go to like use for charity, I would not like anything better. Let's go and donate some stuff for a 10-minute walk. Yes, I can. Strong gal, strong gal. Okay, let's go.
I love the leather. I like that. I like that. Lovely. Thank you.
I just wanted to drop in a donation.
Oh, I just need to ask, what are you donating?
Okay, so I have some bags. There's these like drawers, some sweaters, and I have a pair of boots. To have this card, I don't know if there's any additional information.
No.
It's the same number, I think.
Yeah, that's it.
Perfect.
Lovely.
Okay.
Thank
Have a
you
good
very
Halloween.
much.
Bye.
Lovely. Bye.
So, right, better lighting. So, I just got back from my little grocery runs. I'm going to show you what I got, and I think I can make this in half an hour and then start getting ready. So, the first thing I got is dry fruits for the kheer, some coconut because I love the flavor of coconut in kheer. It just brings that little bit of sweetness because I don't use sugar, so this is like the healthy alternate to like a sweetener. And then I got some treats, little chocolates for my friends, because although they don't celebrate Diwali, but it is a nice gesture to give them chocolates, also because it's Halloween, so this will be their treat. That's it. Let's get to making kheer now. think traditions and festivals are a beautiful concept. I grew up in a house where my mom and dad brought their own set of rules and traditions, and I viewed it as a beautiful amalgamation of two cultures. And I knew that when I would move out and have a place of my own, I wanted to create my own traditions as well. And even though the past year in London I was still adjusting, this year I made an extra effort to create a wholesome day for myself. You may or may not be religious, but having a wholesome day, thanking the universe and celebrating the past year and praying for the year ahead is such a beautiful ceremony. It can be something as simple as lighting a candle, cleaning your house, and rewarding yourself with a home cooked meal. Diwali is such a special time for me and my family, and even though we are miles apart, we were still connected with the thread of tradition, and I am here for it. This is my makeshift diya. Usually on Dhanteras or Choti Diwali, we make this like aate ka diya. So I thought I'll make it on Diwali because I'm not buying 24 pounds of diya from Amazon. So this is my little Diwali prep for today. It's like 3 o'clock here, but back home it's official Diwali time. It's 8:30. So I'm gonna put this outside and see how long it lasts, but otherwise I have candles throughout the house, and I'm gonna make some rice pudding. I'll make kheer, and then I'm going out for dinner. So I'm very happy, I'm feeling very wholesome today. Yeah, and it's just been a blessing this year in many ways, and I just want to celebrate Diwali and just bring light, happiness and blessings in my life and those around me. So this is for that. Okay, so I'm about to head out for my Diwali date, and for the most part I did my makeup like early in the morning, so I'm gonna get rid of it and I'm gonna restart. But I want to start with my hair because I'm not sure what I'm doing. I washed it last night, so it's fresh, that's good, but I wanted to be, I don't know, I kind of want to go for like a wet look hair, and I have some products that I picked up like this hair gel and hairspray. And as I get ready I will show you what I'm doing, but I mean I can't have this in the pictures. Okay, I'm gonna just wet my hair. Should we just go like this, like with wet hair? I'm gonna use the air dry cream just to add some texture. Set it like this. I don't know, just like set it. And I'm gonna attempt to do that with this gel. I don't know what I'm doing. And just let it really like sit. I just want to go for like this like very runway wet look hair. If I can get this hair to sit, I would be more than happy.